Hey everybody, Jamie from the Rain Doctors YouTube channel. As you can see, the Johnsons, or the family of Johnsons, is taken apart. I have left this Tracker Pro Series 60s, which is a Mercury / Mariner. Now, I have some interest in it, but I want to hear from you guys. Is it worth risking rolling the dice to rebuild this one? I do know that it needs pistons because it's worn out. And I believe that we can see in there, you see the dust on top of the cap? I think that's leaking. So I think there's an issue with the tilt. That might be expensive. And I know that we've got some wiring issues on the inside. So let's pop this open and see what it looks like. I know it's filthy. I know it 100% it's filthy. But look at this. Oh, now that I've got this open, I think it needed a new starter too. So I guess put new brushes into it first and see. Look at this Mickey Mouse stuff going on here and even up here. I think has the starter or the stator been replaced? Red stator implementation, so it's got a new stator on it. I just don't know. I don't know. You know, how much can I get for an engine like this is the thing versus the amount of work that I put in it. Yeah, I'd be making someone happy, but I'm not all about, you know, doing a lot of stuff for free. What's this as well? Did I rob some parts off here? Maybe I robbed parts off here while it was sitting down in the back. Let me see if I can walk around and check out the other side. But I do think that I have some of those coils that I've taken off of a Force 120. So I might have extra ones of those. Oh no, they're there. It looks like, sorry, that was a broom in the way. It looks like that's just been pulled out probably from the hood. I don't know what that stuff is. That's an aftermarket one there that's been replaced. So there's definitely been some parts that have been put on it. And it does have the large gear case, which is a plus. So this would be something good for maybe a pontoon boat. So I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure. Again, comment below if you guys think I should fix this one. Or at the least even pull it apart and look at the insides, and then we can figure out maybe what happened to it. I think it just simply wore out. I know that I did scope it a while back, but I don't remember what the inside looked like. I guess I could scope it again and see before I tear it all apart. Now, these particular engines were done with lost foam casting. So exhaust covers don't come off, and, well, of course I walked over to this side already. The engine actually has no head. It's all more or less just take it apart all the way and look at it from the inside. That's all you can do. I don't know. I had a call about it the other day. Some people were interested in it, so maybe I do tear it down. I just don't know. I know that these will sell because they're larger horsepower. But this is just, unfortunately, it's going to take the right person to come along that's going to want this 60 horsepower engine. Even though someone said, hey, you know, it'd be great to have, that doesn't mean that they're going to buy it, which is really unfortunate. I guess what I could do is say, hey, if you want to slide me $200, $300, $400, I can get started on it. So then at least I've got, you know, them stating that they're going to take it rather than me spending time, money, and effort in it. A dilemma. And nothing more on these yet, on the family of Johnsons that I have here, other than the blocks are at the machine shop. So we're still waiting for those to come back. And that's still that engine from that boat that burnt. And look what's back inside. It's winter here, so it gets to stay in here with me. Probably going to put a subwoofer into it this year. I put a deck into it last year. I wasn't really happy with the deck. Didn't turn out all that great. And I even put this little camera here on here. That looks like the Velcro let go that I was using. Look at that. I'm TMD. everyone figures that I'm shy. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to touch base with you guys and see what you guys thought about me rebuilding that engine. Again, 60 horsepower, limited amount of people that might want something like that. So yeah, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.